Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting tutorial on my channel. Today, we're tackling something super useful for all you Roblox enthusiasts. How to view your favorites in 2025. With Roblox constantly updating its interface, knowing how to access your favorite games, items, and more has never been easier. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this guide will have you sorted in no time. So, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Roblox app installed on your device or head over to the Roblox website on your browser. Once you're there, log in to your account using your username and password. If you're new, don't worry, this process is straightforward and quick. After logging in, you'll land on the Roblox homepage. Look for the menu icon, usually represented by 3 lines or a hamburger icon in the top corner. Click on that to open your profile options. Now, navigate to the Library or Favorites tab. In the 2025 update, Roblox has made this more prominent, so it should be easy to spot. If you're on the app, swipe over to the More section and select Favorites from the list. Once you're in the Favorites section, you'll see a list of all the games, outfits, or items you've saved. You can scroll through them, search for specific ones using the search bar at the top, or even organize them into categories. Pro tip: if you can't find something, double-check that you're viewing the correct category, like games versus assets. Roblox might prompt you to refresh the page if there are any sync issues. It's a common fix for 2025's enhanced features. To make the most of this, try adding new favorites as you play. Just hit the star icon on any game or item page. Remember, favorites help you quickly revisit your top picks without endless searching. And there you have it. Viewing your favorites on Roblox in 2025 is simple and efficient. If this tutorial helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more gaming tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite Roblox game. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay awesome, gamers.